Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to the CS Vedam with another exercise, chapter number 80. To get started, okay, so question number one is what is the second parameter of the window.open method? Answer with one word, so that is name. We'll write name and we'll hit to check your answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. There is an illegal character in this statement. Type it. Actually, if you saw here is a error of a space, so I will give a space and our answer is correct. Next question. In size and position parameters, what do the numbers represent? Answer with one word, so that is pixels. I'll get to check your answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. What is the minimum number of pixels in the width and height parameters? Answer with a number, so that is 100. I'll write 100 and we'll click on check your answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Open a new window whose handle is W. So I will start with variable W. Variable W equals to windows.open window dot open where is open window dot open bracket start code start, and I will pass here an HTML file bug.html, code close, comma, and we write in quotes fly. Here is fly and code close. Next comma, I will write here a width. So in next line again code started, width is 100, width is 100, comma, height is 100, height equals 100, and again comma, left 100, top 100. So left equals 100, comma, top equal 100, and code close, bracket close, and semicolon. So now we will check our code against this code. So yes, our code is okay. I will hit I got it right. Next question. Open a new window, new win, a variable name new win with a blank URL and name and parameters for in this order: size across, size up and down, distance from the side and distance from the top. The parameters are 300, 200, 100 and 50. So we'll start from variable new win equals to window.open bracket start, code start, comma, next code, and we write width. Again I will write code, comma, and then start code and we write width is 300, comma, height is 200, height is 200, comma, left 100, comma, top 50, quote close, bracket close, and semicolon. Our answer is correct. Next question. Open a window whose handle is pop and whose parameters are presented by the variable param. So we will pass the param in window.open method. Okay, the variable is pop, so I will write to where pop equals window dot open, and I will pass in bracket param semicolon. And answer is correct. Next question. New variable new win equals to window.open, and this is this. Fill in the size parameters starting with width. So here we will write in quotes in a string width, which is like for example 300, and comma, height is 200. Height is 200, bracket close, and semicolon. Sorry. Code close, and or answer correct. Next question. Using a variable that hasn't been declared beforehand, open a window assigning blank URL and name parameters. Specify window size and position in order: size across, size up and size down, distance from the side, distance from the top. So for this we will write variable, for example, we'll take a variable w window.open and in brackets I will pass two empty strings and then I will write width is 300 for example, and height is 200 again comma left we have left 25 for example and top 50 top 50 and quote close and we'll pass semicolon and check our answer have a minor mistake. Let's check it yourself. Next exercise, open a new window with an HTML page that shares the same host and subdirectory as the original page and specify a size with the width first. So I will take variable pop equals window.open uh, bio.html for example. I will take an HTML file bio .html in string. We will always give it in a string and next is an empty string and comma next is width and height width comma height for example 200 or 1 equal 150 and quote close bracket close sorry semicolon double quotes and semicolon hit answer we have an error here. Mm, window.open by the HTML. Okay, here is single paragraph space. So check it yourself. Next exercise, open a document specifying boo.com as the URL. Also give the window a name. Okay, so I will initialize with variable pop that is window.open and the URL is boo.com. So I will write complete URL http colon slash slash www.boo.com and code close I will write always it in a quote and then comma in quote I write like scary and semicolon check our answer is correct. Next question, open a window specifying x.html as the first parameter and any name as the second parameter. Make it 500 pixels wide and 300 pixels high. Set it in 50 pixels and down 50 pixels. So for this, I will initialize first a variable that is, for example, nuin where nuin equals window.open and in bracket I will first pass x.html and then I will write comma and then w3 for example comma again I will write width is 500 width is 500 height is 300 so height spelling mistake height height equals 300 comma from left it is 50 and from top it is 50 and semicolon. Check our answer have a minor mistake comma everything. Yeah, so here is a minor mistake so you can see it yourself. Next question, open a window whose handle is pop and whose parameters are represented by the variable parent. So it's very easy, we already did it again where pop equals window.open and will pass parents and semicolon. Our answer is correct. Next question. Fill in the two size parameters starting with width. So we'll just write here width for example 300 and comma height spelling mistake height is 200. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Using a variable that hasn't been declared beforehand. Open a window, assigning blank URL and name parameters, specify window size and position in this order. Size across, size up and down, distance from size, side and distance from the top. So for this we'll again start with the variable w. Variable w equal to window.open and we'll pass here first the empty string. There is a spell mistake and starting with empty string comma again we have the empty string comma starting with the width and height left and top. So we have the width is 300 comma height is for example 200 comma left is 25 and top is 25 and semicolon. So check your answer and answer is correct. Next question. Open a new window with an HTML page that shares the same host and subdirectory as the original page and specify a size with the width first. So again, we will have to write a variable pop like with variable pop window.open and we'll, for example, we will pass the first parameter by.html and secondly I will write a comma space an empty string and then comma space I will start the width and height. So the width is for example uh, width is 300 comma height is 150 and semicolon. So I will hit the check our answer and answer is correct. Next question. Open a document specifying woo.com as the URL. Also give the window a name. Okay, so starting with variable, for example, variable pop equal window.open and we'll pass the complete URL of woo.com. So starting with the inner code http colon slash slash and then www.woo.com and again comma quotes scary and semicolon. So I will hit the check and answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Open a window specifying x.html as the first parameter and any name as the second parameter. Make it 500 pixels wide and 300 pixels high. Set it in 50 pixels and down 50 pixels. So for this, I will take a variable as we already take it new frame equals window.open brackets and started with xhtml x.html file then comma will have a w3 then comma we will have width is 500 and comma height is 300 and comma left is 50 comma top is 50 and semicolon. So I will hit the check or answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Next question is open a window of minimum size with a blank URL and name. So we'll have a variable where pop is a window dot open and we'll pass empty string then empty and the third one will be the size dimension width will be 100 comma height is 100 and semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. The last question is assign size and position parameters to a variable. Then open a blank window with no name specifying the variables as the size and position parameters. Okay, so for this, we will take a variable parents. First of all, variable parent is will have the width of 200 and comma height is also 200 and left 25 and top 50 and semicolon. Next variable can be variable new win equals window.open bracket start and end with an empty string first sorry empty comma space comma and will pass params here and semicolon. So check your answer लिख रहे हैं. Exercise is completed, so stay tuned for the next exercise.